Good morning. Today we are going to perform activity 2.11, which is on page number 26, table 2.2. This is your table 2.2. Some substances, some solutions are given, and we have to make out with the figure 2.7. This figure is the colorful strip, and this is your pH paper, which is yellowish in color. We have to put solutions on pH paper and we have to see what color it gives with the particular solution. Color change will give you the substance acidic or basic. The nature of substance is acidic or basic. You can see the changes in colors from acidic to basic. This side it will be acidic, medium, and this side it will be basic. Here some substances are given, solutions are given, and we have to check it with pH paper. Then we have to write the approximate. We will not get exact pH with this, approximate pH value, and then you have to write down the acidic or basic nature of a given solution. So let us perform this activity with the given solution. Now let's take this ninth one, NaOH. It is NaOH, but I could not find NaOH, so I have taken CaOH twice. What is this? Calcium hydroxide. This solution I have made of CaOH twice. And one more thing I have taken, this one, you can see it is cooking soda. Cooking soda means it is baking soda. So baking soda solution I have taken. So let us see what color change we can make out in pH. This solution is of CaOH twice and this solution is of baking soda. Okay. So let us see the color change. If I put this pH paper in this, you can observe the color change, and then from the strip, the colorful strip which is given in textbook, you will be able to make out the acidic or basic. Okay, so can you see what is the color of the strip? Blue in color, or violet, you can say, dark blue in color. Okay, one is this. Now we go for baking soda color, baking soda. Okay, baking soda. Now this is the piece of pH paper I put in baking soda. You can see what is the color of pH paper. It is green in color. Okay, see with the white base I show you. See, green in color. What is this, sir? This is baking soda, NaHCO3. And what is this one? So you can see the clear difference in between the colors. Clear difference in color. So which is more basic? From the color we can make out which is more basic. CaOH twice is more basic than NaHCO3. If we want to take out the value of pH, then from the strip we can make out. Okay, where can you see greenish color? This side, this color. Now let us match the color with the pH. Which color it is? This one. Okay, so we can take 9, between 9 and 10. So if you want to see exactly, it is matched. Okay, 9.5, or that way you can write down of what is this? NaHCO3, baking soda. If you want to write extra thing, because baking soda is not here, if you want to write extra things you can. And if I take CaOH twice, let me take another one. Yeah, what is the color? See, you can last one. Even sodium hydroxide, because that is given in our table. Sodium hydroxide 14. This is a strong base. This one is a strong base. So color will be violet blue. You can write down. Okay, violet blue. Here instead of NaOH, even NaOH will give you this color, but I have taken CaOH twice. So sideway you can write down CaOH twice and you can match the color. Now we shall go for rest all solution. Third one, first and second we shall take later on. First, third one, lemon juice. So let us see what color we gain with the pH. The color is pink red. The color is pink red. Write down in the column pink red. And approximate pH you can write 2.2. Other solutions I have taken. This we can say NaOH solution, soap solution. This one is coffee. This one is carrot juice. And this one is HCl acid. Okay. You have seen lemon juice. Now we go for colorless aerated drink. You put drop on this. It will gain very light color, light yellow, but difference is there. See, you can see difference between original one and okay, let me keep it down. Okay, so in that you write down light yellow, and nearby 6 or 5.8 or that way you can write down. We go for carrot juice. What will be the color of carrot juice on pH? Light orange. Okay, the color of carrot juice in pH is light orange. Write down in that column light orange and nearby 4. Okay, now acidic and basic you can make out by the values. If it is less than 7 it will be acidic, and if it is more than 7 it will be basic. So from the values you can make out what the substance is, acidic or basic. The next one is coffee. Let us see what color it is gaining with the coffee. Not that much difference. All nearby colors we are getting. Right now you can write in coffee orangish yellow or yellowish you can write down. Next is tap water, that you can write 7 or 7.4, that will be the neutral. And let's go for NaOH. I have taken soap solution, in that sodium hydroxide is present. So let us try with that what color we get. Blue color. Okay, that is given in your textbook. Blue color, dark blue you can write, and 13 to 14 it will be basic, 13 to 14. And the last one is HCl, 1m, that is molarity, that you will study later on. HCl, what color it gives with pH. So let's do, this is your dilute HCl. So let's observe color. As you can see, a beautiful red color you get. Okay, so you can see the difference. This is acid, and this one is base color. This one is acid, reddish color. You can write in the column red color, and approximate you can write down 1 point. Okay, the 1.0 you can write down, because it is a strong acid and it gives red color. So difference in between the this is the basic color and this is the acid color. Okay, so put the column, fill the column, and then write down the acidic and basic nature.